Have you ever felt stuck, like life is just a repetitive cycle of the same thoughts, emotions, and habits? Do you dream of creating a new version of yourself, one filled with purpose, joy, and boundless possibilities? If so, you're not alone. Dr. Joe Dispenza's teachings have inspired millions worldwide to unlock their potential and transform their lives. Joe Dispenza's core teaching is that your thoughts create your reality. Your brain is like a record of the past, wired with memories and experiences that shape your thoughts and actions. If you keep thinking the same thoughts, you'll keep creating the same life. To break the cycle, start by observing your thoughts. Are they empowering or disempowering? When you catch yourself in a negative thought loop, pause and redirect your focus. Visualize the desired future and feel the emotions of that reality as if it's already happening. Neurons that fire together wire together, so consistently focusing on positive thoughts can change the structure of your brain. The body is the unconscious mind, conditioned by repetitive emotions and behaviors to operate on autopilot. Meditation is a powerful tool to quiet the mind and access the subconscious. Practices like heart-brain coherence, which involve generating feelings of gratitude, love, and compassion, align your heart and brain, accelerating transformation. Be willing to step into the unknown and embrace uncertainty as a sign that you're evolving. Joe Dispenza's teachings are rooted in quantum physics, where every possibility exists in the quantum field. Define exactly what you want and focus on the feeling you'll have when it manifests. Combine this intention with elevated emotions like joy, excitement, or love. Trust the process and detach from the outcome. Joe often compares this to tuning a radio station. To experience abundance, you need to align your energy with its frequency. Many of us carry limiting beliefs stemming from childhood or societal conditioning. You can identify and dissolve these beliefs through journaling, challenging their validity, and replacing them with empowering ones. Over time, this rewires your subconscious mind and helps you embody a new version of yourself. Transformation also requires aligning your actions with your goals. Start small, pick habits that align with your desired future, and remain consistent. Practice mindfulness and celebrate progress, as even the smallest victories reinforce new behaviors. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions you can cultivate. When you're grateful for a future event as if it's already happened, you signal to the quantum field that it's a done deal. Start your day with gratitude and write about your future goals as if they've already come true. Find gratitude even in challenges to shift your energy and stay aligned with your higher self. Living in the present moment is essential. The past is gone, and the future is yet to come, but the present moment is where your power lies. Practice mindfulness, release regrets and worries, and find joy in everyday moments. Changing your life isn't about luck or external circumstances. It's about becoming a new version of yourself from the inside out. Apply these principles from Joe Dispenza, break free from old patterns, and create a future aligned with your heart's desires. Transformation is a journey, so be patient, celebrate your progress, and trust the process. Your new life is waiting for you. All you have to do is take the first step. If you found this inspiring, like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next video. Changing your life begins with a single thought, but that thought must be nourished with deliberate actions and unwavering belief. Imagine for a moment that your mind is a garden. Each thought is a seed. When you water the seeds of positivity and nurture them with care, they grow into vibrant, healthy plants. But if you leave the weeds of negativity unchecked, they can take over the entire garden. Joe Dispenza's work is about teaching us how to cultivate the garden of our minds, choosing only the seeds that will bear the fruits of the life we desire. One of the most fascinating aspects of Joe Dispenza's teachings is the intersection of neuroscience and spirituality. Science has proven that the brain is malleable, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. This means that you are not stuck with the brain you were born with. You can rewire it, sculpting new pathways that lead to different thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. The question is, how do you do it? The answer lies in consistency and intention. Every time you consciously choose a new thought, you are forging a new path in your brain. Over time, with repetition, this path becomes a well-trodden road, replacing the old, limiting pathways that no longer serve you. Meditation is one of the most effective tools for rewiring the brain. When you meditate, you enter a state of deep relaxation and heightened awareness. In this state, you can access the subconscious mind, where your deeply rooted beliefs and patterns reside. Joe Dispenza's guided meditations are designed to help you release old emotional baggage and replace it with new, empowering beliefs. For example, during meditation, you might visualize yourself stepping into a version of yourself who is confident, successful, and full of joy. As you do this, you are training your brain to recognize this new version of yourself as the reality. Another powerful concept in Joe Dispenza's work is the idea of emotional addiction. Many of us are addicted to certain emotions, whether it's stress, anger, sadness, or even guilt. These emotions, though unpleasant, become familiar and comfortable. Breaking free from emotional addiction requires awareness and a commitment to change. When you catch yourself falling into old emotional patterns, pause and choose a new emotion. This might feel uncomfortable at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. The key is to remember that you are not your emotions. You are the observer of your emotions. By detaching from them, you gain the power to choose how you feel in any given moment. The quantum field is another cornerstone of Joe Dispenza's teachings. This invisible field of energy connects everything in the universe. It is the realm of infinite possibilities, where every potential reality already exists. To access the quantum field, you must match the frequency of the reality you desire. This is where elevated emotions come into play. Emotions like gratitude, love, and joy have high frequencies that align with the realities most of us wish to create. By generating these emotions and combining them with clear, focused intentions, you send a powerful signal to the quantum field, attracting your desired reality into your experience. One of the most profound shifts you can make is moving from a state of survival to a state of creation. When you are in survival mode, your energy is consumed by fear, stress, and worry. Your body is in a constant state of fight or flight, which drains your energy and limits your ability to create. In a state of creation, however, you are relaxed, open, and receptive. Your energy flows freely, and you become a magnet for positive experiences. The transition from survival to creation begins with a single choice: to let go of fear and embrace trust. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and trust in the universe. Joe Dispenza often speaks about the importance of coherence, the harmonious alignment of your mind and body. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions are in sync, you enter a state of coherence that amplifies your ability to manifest your desires. One way to achieve coherence is through the practice of heart-centered breathing. Close your eyes, place your hand on your heart, and take slow, deep breaths. As you breathe, focus on generating feelings of love and gratitude. This simple practice not only calms your nervous system but also creates a powerful electromagnetic field around your body, enhancing your connection to the quantum field. Another key aspect of transformation is letting go of the past. The past can be a heavy burden, filled with regrets, mistakes, and painful memories. Carrying this weight prevents you from moving forward. Joe Dispenza teaches that the past exists only in your mind. By releasing your attachment to it, you free yourself to create a new future. This doesn't mean ignoring the lessons of the past. It means using those lessons as stepping stones rather than shackles. Forgive yourself and others, and focus on the present moment, where your true power lies. Gratitude is often described as the gateway to abundance. When you practice gratitude, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. This shift in perspective not only raises your vibration but also opens the door to more blessings. Start each day by writing down 3 things you are grateful for. They can be as simple as the warmth of the sun on your skin or the sound of birds chirping outside your window. The key is to feel the gratitude deeply, as if your heart is overflowing with appreciation. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to look for the positive in every situation. As you embark on this journey of transformation, remember that it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Seek out knowledge and tools that support your growth. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Change takes time, and there will be moments when you feel like giving up. In those moments, remind yourself why you started. Hold on to your vision of the life you want to create, and trust that everything you need is already within you. The power to change your life is not something you need to acquire. It is something you need to awaken. With every thought, every choice, and every action, you are sculpting the masterpiece that is your life. Embrace the process, and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes. At the core of Dr. Joe Dispenza's teachings is the concept that your brain operates like a record of the past. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, and every action you take reinforces the neural pathways in your brain. This cycle locks you into predictable patterns. To break free, the first step is awareness, observing your thoughts without judgment. Are these thoughts building the future you desire, or are they anchoring you to the past? When you catch a negative or limiting thought, pause, take a deep breath, and consciously redirect your focus to a positive vision of your future. Neuroscience reveals that the brain's plasticity allows it to rewire itself. By consistently focusing on new empowering thoughts, you begin to forge new neural pathways, effectively reprogramming your mind. Meditation is a cornerstone of Joe Dispenza's approach. By quieting the mind and disconnecting from external distractions, you can access your subconscious, where deep transformation occurs. During meditation, visualize the version of yourself you want to become. Imagine it with such clarity and emotion that it feels real. This process not only creates a mental blueprint but also shifts your energy to align with this new reality. Consistent meditation rewires your brain to embody the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors of the person you aspire to be. A key aspect of Joe Dispenza's work is understanding the power of elevated emotions. Emotions like gratitude, love, and joy carry high vibrational frequencies. When combined with a clear intention, they become a powerful force for change. Think of it as tuning into a specific frequency on a radio. To manifest the life you desire, you need to vibrate at the frequency of that reality. Practice generating these emotions daily, even if the circumstances around you haven't yet changed. Your body doesn't distinguish between a deeply imagined experience and a real one. By feeling gratitude for the life you're creating as if it's already here, you send a signal to the quantum field that attracts opportunities aligned with your desires. Joe Dispenza's teachings also emphasize breaking free from emotional addictions. Many of us unconsciously become addicted to emotions like stress, anger, or sadness because they've become familiar. These emotions are stored in the body and drive our habitual reactions. Recognizing these patterns is the first step to breaking them. When you feel triggered, pause and choose a different response. It may feel unnatural at first, but with practice, you'll retrain your brain and body to respond in ways that align with your goals. Another powerful principle in Joe Dispenza's teachings is the concept of coherence, the harmonious alignment of your heart and brain. Achieving this state amplifies your ability to manifest your intentions. Practices like heart-focused breathing, where you generate feelings of love and gratitude while focusing on your heart, create this coherence. This simple exercise not only calms your mind but also strengthens your electromagnetic field, making you more attuned to the quantum field of infinite possibilities. The quantum field is central to Joe Dispenza's philosophy. It's a field of energy where every potential reality exists. To access it, you must combine intention with elevated emotion. Define your vision with clarity. What do you truly desire? Then, feel the emotions you would experience if that vision were already a reality. This process shifts your energy and aligns you with the frequency of your desired outcome. Trust the process and release attachment to the how. The quantum field operates in ways that often defy logical explanation, bringing opportunities and synchronicities into your life that align with your vision. Letting go of the past is another crucial step in transformation. Many of us carry emotional baggage, regrets, grudges, and pain that weigh us down. Joe Dispenza teaches that holding onto the past only recreates it in the present. Forgiveness, both of yourself and others, is a liberating act that releases this weight. By letting go, you create space for new experiences to enter your life. Focus instead on the present moment, which is where your true power lies. The past is gone, and the future is unwritten. Every choice you make now shapes the path ahead. Gratitude is one of the simplest yet most transformative practices in Joe Dispenza's teachings. Start each day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. These could be as simple as a good night's sleep or the kindness of a stranger. The key is to feel the gratitude deeply. Over time, this practice trains your brain to focus on the positive, raising your vibration and attracting more reasons to be grateful. Consistency is key to any transformation. Change doesn't happen overnight, and there will be challenges along the way. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories. Surround yourself with people who support and inspire you. Engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Remember, transformation is not about perfection. It's about progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to the life you want to create. Joe Dispenza's teachings remind us that the power to change our lives lies within us. It's not about external circumstances or luck, but about becoming a new version of ourselves from the inside out. By shifting our thoughts, emotions, and energy, we can break free from the past and create a future that aligns with our highest potential. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and watch as your reality transforms in ways you never imagined possible. The life of your dreams is not a distant possibility. It's a decision away. Start today by taking the first step.